upheka ithanga, upheka spinach, upheka cabbage. You understand? After that, kukui salads. I don't have your time. If also we have no cake for when I saw Zandla Bafana, Nadim asoze kaloku yebo mna xa ndipheka kwam ndipheka izambane yho andipheki nolipheka izambane malangaxoki ndipheka irice ndipheka inyama ndipheka irice ndipheka inyama I'm done yebo. So if I come to your house you cook everything that you need to cook. I don't have your time. Okanye ikhonto ongazuyifumana, I don't have a problem. If uthi no last born you full of yourself, I'm not gonna cook for you. It's fine. Mafikela xesha loba kulalwe. Mna uyozibhija uzibhija kube kusasa. Look, you must serve me in color soze kaloku son. Hello papa. Hello Luya. It's fine. So ngamane ndingezi, it's okay. Ikheka lam li safe, it's okay. Yo kungaka it's fine mna take away ndithe kuwe xa ndithetha ne take away as an impress Nkosi Saps as an impress because I get a takeaway every day because I don't want to cook almost every day manditsho and xa ndipheka mna ndipheka rice nenyama qha and bendifaka yonke ivobelo. I don't have time to cook. I don't have time for that. I'm too busy for that. I cannot. I don't have guys, I don't have patience to cook mna. I don't. Yabo. So if undiza kwakho ofuna uniphekela it's fine ngayeka khambe nindifake guys nifuna ungena ne it's okay. Anitap ne screen hayi guys ndiyahamba ke mna ke guys ignore calls them up anitap ne screen guys mna you need to cook for him na ungadlali you need to cook for him na shem you need to cook for him na. Last born umhle ngathi usupporta iPirates. Mamela ke sithando sam. Mna I'm very bad because I support ikwanto. You understand? It's fine ewinileyo ndisada newinileyo. Uyandi ignore ndiyakufollowa kanti ulapha. Hey, did you call me? Did you call me? I don't think so. Guys, I tell you ndiyaphuma ke mna ke. Ndiyaphuma ke ngoniyanqala. Hi. Unjani?
Yaphila unjani?
Ngiyaphila nam.
Ngihlekiswa into eyodwa.
Uhlekiswa
Uthi
yini?
ngakufollowa ngibona ama-comment lawa bakhuluma ngenye into.
Bakhuluma ngani phela? Bakhuluma ngani?
Sorry?
Bakhuluma ngani?
Uyazi.
Don't mind them. Don't mind them.
So nami ngafollowa, nami ngafuna ukubona ngisakhuluma. Ngafollowa nami.
Ufuna ubana? We unfollow because you want to see something. Hi, Jabon.
Ngibonanga lento abakhuluma ngayo solo.
Hi.
Hello.
Unjani?
Right, Johnny.
Yes, Abza.
Bafo.
Unobona ntoni mfowethu?
Yalazi udaba.
Hayi bo, abanye bathi mala wina award yantoni?
Anike le nto bayifunayo.
Hayi makabanzi. Ibanike.
Anike le nto bayifunayo.
Abathephi nescreen ingxaki.
Bayayifuna mos.
Ngithi hi. Abathephi nescreen.
So ngihlekisa ukuthi ngakufollowa ukuthi nami ngifuna kubona udaba ukuthi kuhamba kanjani ngendaba le.
Akunakwadaba laba ehlanyela. Don't mind.
Anike.
Bayaphambana.
Ngifunda into eningi lapha ama comment akhona ngihlala kwalandelela ngila ngibheka bathini la bantu. Ay, are best. Stress siyehla sona na ngibheka ama comment
Osazana ephethe indunduma yesibumbu wena ungumamba wani izolo.
Banike ngoba mhlambe ubasonkalelwe wababonisa.
Hayi njani?
ngise Western Cape manje ngise Cape Town no.
Use Cape Town. Oh wow, nami se Cape Town kesana.
Kuphi Cape Town ngizokubona mina ngizobona kahle le ndaba le bakhuluma ngayo. Leli ngizoyiprove ukuthi ngithi hayi nje kuphela nje. Ngizoprove ngisho ukuthi hayi. I'm here for 5 weeks. I'm here for 5 weeks.
Is it? Hayi, bengikhethe wonke la namhlanje ngigcoke isibhana namhlanje late.
Ne?
Yeah.
Okay. Ngizoyiprove ngibatshela abafethu ukuthi hayi.
Seven petty girls.
No, anytime, like I'm here for 5 weeks. Like you let me know when you can meet, where.
Serious?
Born, like just like to say hi.
Mora ayanda.
Lasiboni, unjani Lasiboni? Yaphila.
Yaphila unjani?
Ngishabu uhlele no Sabza no Tabongs la. Ngiyabona amadoda achazekile afuna ukuzibonela live le mpahla.
Ndithi banike le nto bayifunayo.
Madoda afuna ukubonisa lesele live amadoda.
Hayi bo.
Abantu izinto bazithatha serious.
DM me, like I said hi. So like you ufuna DM ungitshele ngizokuse Cape Town ngizokubona nje ngithi hi kuphela nje. Ngithi hi kuphela. No strings attached.
Hayi ngixelela kesana.
Okay, bye bye. Sha. Athinisele mina ngiyasela namhlanje athinisele mina.
Ela, enjoy. Ja.
Manje ngake ngakuza ukuthi uzofika eWild Coast nje na kanti ufika nini eWild Coast la eZanzibar.
Hawu late kesana ndafika ndabuya.
Wena wavuhamba mfethu awuhlanda.
Ndihamba serious mina.
Ngangikugephele kabi ukuthi mawufika la eWild Coast ngifuna siyokubona lapho ukuthi indle ekukhulunywa ngayo madoda.
Nobona lento okhulunyayo.
Ayibo lese lengaka sithi hayi sakolibheka. Lapha madoda.
Hayibo.
Manje suke Cape Town again wena.
Mina ndiyahamba ndidlali mina. Ngisebenza imali, I'm spending money, I don't play.
Apha amageza.
Amageza wabamba late ama girls.
Isikhathi ezikhathele.
Yes. And then yaoku ama-girls afuna ama single. Tana ngixola ama-girls wami musa single. Yabo?
Madoda engaphuthelwa phela ngiseThekwini mina yabona nje bafethu.
Bye sizozapho December. Before my birthday. Sizozapho. But ke ngoku guys nina nizishimana. Kanti bona amantombazana you guys niyeke attention amantombazana niKwaZulu Natal. Niyeke ujonga amantombazana la.
Cha phela bahlanyiswa ilento amajita. Hayi mina ngizofuna ama-girls ngizomyeka uLasibon. Ayi.
Yabona wena? Good. Sawuza nama-girls mahle anxibe kahle agezile. Uyabo? So the only thing afunekayo nini ube nesibindi. Qha yabaxa approach amaXhosa funeka ube nesibindi.
Yeah.
Yawazi amaXhosa nenkinga funeka ube nesibindi.
Ngiyawazi ngikhule kakhulu namaXhosa mengihlala le mina ko-upper Mjika. So ngikwazi kahle angina stress nakancane.
Exactly amaXhosa wadlala amaXhosa funeka ube nesibindi. Akwazi approach intombazana yomXhosa utatazela funeka ube shaky.
Hey that boy. Pizza.
So ngizawuza nawo abalapha eKapa ngibanga hosta Ayanda spending my money imali eninzi di host ne. Then ke ngoku ndibiza amadoda ba guys ndisenama chair nanga amadoda abhuza uLasibon ngoba ubhanqa baka TikTok instead of ba focus amantombazana mahle installile afaka imakeup ishumanezi
ishumane zaseKapa
ishumane enkosi LTN ishumane ezimosi
ishumane ngempela wena lethe ingane la eThekwini sozithatha sizifake la koMax izingane zikhululeke sifake obhaliti
nakya sifuna londo nakya
kambe ko relax
nakya that's what I want yabona wena uyathetha ke ngoku I know that baba shift ilantu uza attention to the people that are very cute bathenge outfit abantwana babantu babe bahle for bona nabo bengawahoyi kuyancokola maXhosa amaXhosa eKapa.
Hello guys.
Hi.
How's it?
So baba.
Hi njani?
Right.
Nami ngithi awuthi ngene ngibonele lento laba bona yona ledumile umhlaba wonke. Hayi Lasibon. uLasibon mana.
Bayageza yabona ngoku ndihamba ngoku ne ndohlamba ngoku ne and I go look for girls now. Chomi zam zinhle ke chomi zam ziyellow bones sexy zinto ezinempundu enkulu yebo zinhle chomi zam. I go look for my friends.
No into lengayinothisa ne kulabo sesi ngikhuluma Swata ngathi bamangiyothi bamaXhosa or I thinking right ne
amaXhosa ya
amaXhosa
into lengayinothisa hayi ination lenhle bahle shem kakhulu. Sometimes we are disturbeka ngathi ba downloadiwa usakhona ukuthi umuntu or download le
AI baba shanga AI
eyiba ngamaXhosa jonge ke bhuti manje ukubalele mahle zi hard workers afundile
kanti yabona ke bra amaXhosa amnandi ngento eyi1 abashoni lena le into meyifuna ayifuna.
Danko
uno stress
Danko
nawe mewathi one
ba straightforward that's why bese kuthiwa basile wonke umuntu bathanda izinto no nami leyo angivumelani nayo. Just that kuba kupenda abantu ngepende leyi1 mina ngiyabathanda
awusisi lo
mina ngiyabathanda athi mthandzano na bra Ayanda ngabo ne
so haba right bro right
most of them ba open futhi
ba open kakhulu kanti nothando banalo
nalobuhle ke lobuhle babo shema
hayi
haya.
ba-right ke bra wami alapho ngasekuseni
bamile kahle abanazishwa.
Phela lobuhle sisho lokho phela.
Thank you,
Sisho
Sapir.
lokho.
And abanazishwapha ke sani.
Hey, baneyimpundu.
Yabo.
Banezimpundu and mawufika nabo endlini umuntu akabeshona le nale uvana kwenzela u-1 nje angamane nje ethi hayi kwasha kacima kwavutha uno-stress.
So wena lasibona. So wena lasibona uba represente kahle.
Kahle imali asibona.
Thina siyakuthanda lasibona. Mina vele ngaba ividiyo yakho angijampi ngifuna ukuhleka ngama-comment. Bageza labantu lapha kula ma-comment.
Oh, my comment section will drive you crazy, son.
But I think ukuthi amnandi because yiwona la sikhipha busy thina ukuthi
Ihleke ne?
yeah sibe nale attention ngawe uyayibona into leyo. Mina ngabona kubhaliwe lapha vele ngiyafunda ngiyahleka ayikho i-comment engakaze ngihleke.
Sishonisa ilanga bra.
Abantu bayabhala ke.
Yeah, because lama comment aqhamuka ne-creativity futhi uyayibona.
Exactly.
Abantu badlala man akufuna into bese bayithatha like personally sebagcina basuka
Yeah, not everything you need to take it personal and stuff ekugqibeleni.
Thina siya-understand ukuthi kuyadlalwa lapha.
Yeah.
And
Can you tap in screen kalo?
And nawe ungichaza ngoba awufendeki uya-understand.
Jonga ulindani uthi lindani bangaba bahle kodwa isibumbu ngeke sifane nesakho uhamba wedwa kazi amabele akhona yini mamela ke bhuti amabele wamjonga amile awekho awadibani you can't even do cleavage yabo because ajonga abafana amabele afocusing uba ukhangela icleavage ke wena ukhangela ntoni it's your problem. Nathe. Yabona life yami ifocus life yami ithe namabele wami athe.
Yawe uyamxelela sana.
Uyayiba. Soke amabele ke wona ke anawo enani wakhalele ngabe nimile kakubukufa yabo. Jonga ingono. Uyayiba? Anayi nesize yebhodisi mina. Awantoni ngoku deep. Sabhani screen kalo.
Yazola.
Guys, can you get any plug? How do you drink water? Like ilantuka noba ilitha ke ngemini. How do you do that, guys?
No into yenzayo nje mawuvuka nje kusini nje first thing kusini. Ayavuka nje thela amanzi kujeke futhi ufuna ushaya amanzi afudumele ukuze ube fresh. Ashisa nje.
Kushiwo lamalanga ukuthi kushiwo bhuti ukuthi asiphuzeni emanti la warm.
Yeah. Hayi ekuseni nje mangivuka mina ngishaya half jack mhlambe ke ukuthi amanzi kayinkinga
even before ulala nalapho ku very important just ngamanti lawo
inkinga manje ayachamisa strong
detox lokuchama ngiko ke lokufuneka
Right ewe yo guys I'm trying
ube sengasalali kahle but that is the aim ukuthi uchame vele angisa detox amanti la warm food.
Oh yeah. And uthi uqeda ukwaphuza nje lamanzi awoma hayi uzisisa ukuthi siyathamba yonke into kade uyidle ngayizolo phuma same time salu fresh.
Yeah,
thanks, guys, that's a plug because wow, guys.
Like constipation,
salu fresh from there next day.
Thanks insane. Hi guys, he plug there because guys, I struggle not to drink water.
Yeah, because you know ukuthi kwenzakalani noma unatha amanti lawo especially in the morning empty stomach. nale ine-constipation awubi nayo.
Yeah,
And elenye into le important ne ukudla ifruit on an empty stomach in the morning.
iwesi ke manje ngithakela ibhanana.
Yeah, right on an empty stomach in the morning.
Eyo. Yafnen, nanjani healthy kalona iplug
yeah, khona zonke
No,
izinto zo.
amanzi labangako labangako abawakhuthazi like ukuthi siwaphuze because ngiwo la cause like yini abathi ama-cholesterol.
but ke ngoku amanzi aseleka kabushushu. Yeah guys, kameni ke ndiyohlamba ndiyokhangela amantombazana ndiwasemadodeni.
You know lasibona into lebalulekile ngamanzi ne ubo at least iceda 2 liter a day. Serious awajaha ngithi. And there is a time la uphuza khona amanzi like boma afternoon kufanele ustophe ungasaphuza amanzi.
Yeah ne. I've not wazama, but yeah, I do try. Maybe can over 3 glasses a day, but I know it's not good enough.
Angithona uyawasipha especially la woma afuna uwasiphe like ngathi uphuza itiya so that umphimbo wakho utokhona system yakho itokhona ku-absorba uyayibona lento leyo.
Ewe ne.
Yeah, ungawaphuzi like uyawasipha le njengetiya.
Jogani uthini uLuke?
Uthini awusifundele phela.
Uthi uLuke khandiphindele sisi ngalento yamazi ngifuna uva ngawe andibeva ababhuti.
Asisithule ke.
Hayi kaloku it's normal cetha kaniva, it means straight ukumamela mna mntu wesifazane une-opposite yontoni de.
Uzifunela wena nje lo.
Angacaba xesha ndim mna ndikamvusa ngo-2 ngekhekhe angacaba.
Yeah, nje kodwa ejimini kuseni.
Uba?
Wena. Hayi bo, uvuka wenzeni? Funa uhambe uyogijima at least shamgwaqo.
I'm a working woman.
Yeah, I working woman yona impela so that uzothola more energy for the work.
My work don't need energy, just need this.
Yeah, so that izoba fresh ingqondo ube nje fresh.
Ngeke ndijime mna. Asoze, it's not for me.
1 hour at least how?
Hour.
How? At least.
For ntoni?
Uthi ube fresh nje for the day how mama? Umqondo uba fresh. Ibody.
You know, guys, I've tried ibe ndandihamba ento. Kupha Zone Fitness ne. But nina madoda niyasibamba phana. I feel so uncomfortable when a man touches me. I don't like it. I really don't like it.
Yofunani ejimini wena le madodeni funa amadoda moya lapha.
No, it's not about amadoda. There we pay our money. Yabo, just you get me into so ndiyazi kube ndiphaphatheke endleleni. That is not for me, you understand? But yokunina nisibambe impundu umntu adakuthi. That hayi.
Asile la madoda asejimini.
Asile because into lebambisa impundu into lemu uthi umuntu adakuthi athi uyakujimisa.
And amadoda bawabambi.
Exactly.
Badila nalaba besifazana.
Basile lapho basile ukhuluma iqiniso sisi.
Thini Thixo?
Mina nje ngeke ahambe le yanto umfazi wami.
Bathi ngiyabana manje bayi personal trainer yakho, ngicela inamba yakho. Toto lapho ukubamba udakuthi apho kwazindawo akuthe mpundu. Fornton
Uyakufila ufuna ukubona ukuthi mayesefika la uzothola.
Sondeza kancane kancane.
Usathane lo.
Hayi guys, yabona ke xa kusithiwa ejimini abantu bayalanduka ejimini, it's true.
Ah, ngempela.
Yes, because kaloku mna I was there. First ndandijima elandukeni apha promenade ne. And then the guys were doing those things. I was like, don't touch me. Naga sana, rude. You don't touch me, mna. You understand? You don't. Then I changed. I think it's those people there. Naya Belleville. Nasa Belleville, same thing.
Yeah, but that's the advantage.
Sini yabo.
Ayibona lento le ukuthi
Mina nje ngisebenza nje indaba yasejimini. Mangijima nje ijima la emgaqweni kuphela. Sayida ngiyagijima ngibuye ngizozidlalela kuphela done. Finish.
Hayi Khanman, ngubani lo umndeni bathi intombi yomXhosa mase ihamba ithatha ngisho nenja. What do you mean, Puti? Ndiyakughamzela ndikuleqa kanti you don't need to uganyuzela. What do you mean? Khawukho elaborate. What do you mean? Hayi ndilinde lo Puti akachaze. What do you mean? Because kaloku ndintombi yomXhosa nami what do you mean? Madoda yekani umuntu wethu asiveze. Ile ndoda ibhale lento apha ithethe icacise. Ngizawuphuma because ndine 4 minutes ngizawuphuma.
Susa lelo 4 minutes ujakusephi manje? Ngifuna ukushiya manje sahleli nawe.
Selofika ndiyohlamba ndiyolanda igirls kula madoda emfondini.
Hayi noma ungahamba ungahlambanga.
Hayi njani obentabeni? Akabe mhlambe ekseni?
Yeah, ngizokucommunicate naye. Yeah, ngoba uyibonana naye kalula ngitoro ngoba mina awumina uzoza ile boys ile ngawo wathu chance.
uFelix. Hayi Felix.
Echazekile le ndoda Sabza ihambe buwe.
Hayi Sabza usecute.
Chebe, yadle chebe.
You very cute. Where are you? Send the location. I want to see that cuteness face to face. Send the location.
Hayi ngizoyisenda.
Yena ntshebe.
Unawari, ndandino full tank. Zawuzapho ndibaleka.
Hayi ngizoyisenda.
Yeah. Hayi uchaza kanyani uSabza.
Hayi Sabza akadlali ingane.
Yo guys. Anyway guys, yeah cheese. But ikhole kamandi apha ngomthunzini kuwo. Manje ojiva ngo. Yo yeah guys. Yeah guys, kunoba ngendi njani babe ndisela guys. Kunoba ngendi wrong ne.
Awu yazi ngithi uyasela ke mina. Awuseli kanti. Yo.
Andiseli. And Sally, I hate alcohol. So then Sally.
Okay, you are missing out.
I'm not missing out.
You
know, ne? No. Let me tell you a secret, ne? Amateur when last ne? They will do Ilanduza even they will twerk just for the savannah.
Yeah, no, you are right. I know that.
That time when hand in a cherry, ne girlfriend, your girlfriend yake twerk for the savannah. Sometimes if you walk with Rufeng I ask.
I would do it that way.
Okay, anyway, guys, let me laugh and leave you. Ndinthanda manyani, mandihambe ndiyoba mhle, ndiyonxiba kahle. Dibangene. I love you so much, guys. See you later. Bye.